minutes, ma'am. This is your OR gate representation. So where given an input, if any one combination is high, then the output will be high. And if any one, if all the inputs are low, then the output will be low. Coming to AND, why I'm revising is you need to you need to write a truth table for this now. Then only you can implement this. So AND is, if both should be high, then the output will be high. And for the remaining cases, if any input is 0, then by default you will get the output as 0. So coming to NOT, if given an input as 0, you will get 1. Given an input 1, you will get 0. So let me start with the NAND. So NAND gate, so I already said that NAND gate is what, ma? NAND gate, we have two. We have one AND followed by NOT. So see here, NAND. NAND is a combination of and NOT. So how I represented, first we have to write a symbol of AND gate followed by NOT. Followed by NOT. So what is a truth table for that? So this is your truth table. In order to get your NAND gate truth table, first what you have to do? First you have to do AND. So AND is what? A dot B or A into B, so that you will get any one combination. If it is 0 for AND, you will get the output as 0. So 0, 0, two inputs are 0. So output we are writing as 0. One combination 0, output we are writing as 0. The other combination also 0. Next, two inputs here high, we are writing as 1. So this is your AND. So in order to get NAND, the output of this NAND is, the Boolean expression is A into B whole complement. So whole complement is, this output need to be complemented. So you will get this. So 0, 0, 0, 1 is output for AND. So if you do complement, you will get the output as 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is your NAND. So if anyone knows, even if you're not do even if not used AND also, you can write directly. Okay. So let's start with let's start with NAND. So first I want to write the truth table of NAND. Just whenever I'm writing, just to give anyone, try to give say the output. Can anyone tell me AB is what, Y is what?
AB is input, Y is output.
Yes, AB is input, and these are the inputs, and Y is output. So as we have two combinations, 2 power 2, so totally we will have 4 combinations: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So just now we discussed about NAND. If you know AND, complement of that, you will get NAND. So 0, 0 for AND, you will get as 0, but the complement of that is 1. So it is 1110. Is the answer, is this truth table for NAND correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we started with NOT. Let me revise my once again. So we started with NOT. So what you have written in your notes, like implementation of NOT gate. If not written, you write down implementation of NOT gate using NAND gate. So for that, first you try to write not a truth table also. So not a truth table you will get as A, Y. So A, as only one input, you will have only two combinations, 0, 1. If input is 0, you will get the output as 1. If input is 1, you will get the output as 0. So two truth tables raskondamma, so that it will be clear. Next is, I want to write the symbol for a NOT. So the symbol for NOT is this. Okay, the symbol for NOT is this. And symbol for NAND. Can anyone? Symbol for NAND and
Bubble.
will you write like yes, yes. So followed by bubble. So it's nothing but NAND. Why? Because NAND is nothing but AND plus NOT. So this is enough. Okay, there is no need of drawing this again. So next, this is your A, B, and you will get the output as A into B whole complement. Now is what, this NAND gate has to work with like this NOT gate. So to do that, what I'm doing is I'm connecting these two inputs as one. Okay, So I'm giving as 1 and the output. Now let me take an example. For this I want to give 0. Okay, so if I want to pass for this input 0, then definitely you will get 0 here and 0 here. So if both are 0, according to this NAND gate, what will be the output, ma'am? See the truth table already written. So it is 1. 1. So is it working as not? Yes. Given an input 0, it has to get the output as 1. Yes, it is working as not a gate. Okay. So instead of this connecting 2 to 1, so I want to give individually. And what I want to give is, I want to give input A and A. Okay. So if you want to give A and A, so again you will have two combinations, A equals to 0, or you can place A equals to 1. Okay. So if A equals to 0, you will get, as the inputs are same for both, you will get 0 0. So if 0 0 according to this NAND gate, so what a symbol I draw, based on that you try to check that truth table. So this is your NAND symbol, so you have to check your NAND truth table. So if it is 0 0, the output that you are getting is 1. Yes, again it is working as not. Now instead of 0, let me place 1. Is it working or not? Let me check. So 1 1. So if it is 1 1, what's output, ma'am? 1 1 is the truth
0.
table. It is 0. Yes, it is working for two combinations. Okay. Now let me go for an expression. So given an input A, what you have to get? You have to get a complement. Ante kadamma? For not, if you are giving A as input, the output that you are getting is A complement. So here the output here is y equals to A into A whole complement. So which is nothing but A complement. We can write as A complement. Why? Because we have Boolean algebraic rules. We have what are those rules that I will explain later. But by default, if it is 1 into 1, the output you will get as 1, right? So 0 into 0, the output you will get as 0. But here, as it is complement, so in here we have taken 1, the output that you are getting is 0. So we can write as A into A. We have a formula, A into A, which you will get the output as A. So based on that, I have written A into A whole complement, which is nothing but A complement. I will show the formula so that you can understand even more clearly. So these are the rules. So based on these rules, I will explain again. But based on these rules, see here, see my cursor position. So we have addition and we have multiplication. So based on this multiplication, A into A equals to A, it is mentioned here, right? So I will explain how we are getting that. So based on that, I have written A into A, which is nothing but A. So as we have a complement, so it is A complement. Okay. So now, is it clear, everyone? Not? Now let me start with the next basic gate. What's the next basic gate, ma?
And other
And yes, already not and completed, but let me revise. So next is and. So fast గా నాకు and truth table and symbol ఒకసారి నోట్స్లో చూసి చెప్పేసేయండి. So let me write and truth table. So and truth table, you will get A, B, and Y. So you will get 4 combinations, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So if one combination 0, you will get 0, one combination 0 0 1. Okay. Now I have to implement and write down side heading, implementation of AND gate using NAND gate. Implementation of AND gate using NAND gate. So given an input 0 0, NAND gate should work as 0. So for that, this is your, for that, before, don't go for the diagram directly, just write a Boolean expression for NAND. So output for NAND is A into B whole bar. So for AND is A into B. From this you have to get this. So easy, right? So if you do complement, what you will get, ma, finally? So A into B, this one. Again, if you place one more bar, what you will get? You will get this, no? Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what you will get? A into B. Okay. So you'll get A into B. So let me write the symbol for NAND. So this is your symbol for NAND. This is your symbol for NAND. So if you want complement of that, what you will do? You will place a not. You will place a not. Finally, this will be A B, and this side what you will get ma A into B whole complement. So you have to get the target as A into B. For that, what I applied is again one more not, so that both will be cancelled and you will get A into B. But I should not write like this. So finally you will get as A into B whole complement and whole complement. So finally you will get as A into B. So you got. So this gate will be working as AND gate. But the problem here is you have a NAND gate, you don't have a NOT. So what you have to do? This NOT must be replaced with the NAND. So NAND NOT ela work chesindi just now I said. So how it works? What I have to remove here? NOT gate I have to remove, and I have to place one NAND. Previous ga NOT ela dinchanamma for NAND. In this way only, right? Yes. So this is the way. So let me start with an example whether it is working as AND gate or not. Okay. So try to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me start with case 1. Okay. So case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. In your notes, while explaining this is working as AND, so you have to mention case 1. So the inputs that we are passing is 0, 0 in case 1. The output you have to get as based on this 0. Okay, na? So whether it is getting or not, let me trace. Okay, so 0, 0, this is your NAND. So you have to check the truth table of AND or NAND. Hello?
NAND.
NAND. So as this is a symbol of NAND, you have to check the truth table of NAND. So 0, 0. If input is 0, 0, the output you will get as what? Input 0, 0. I'm passing for this NAND. Input 0, 0. What output we are getting, ma'am? 1.
1.
Okay. So 1 means what combination I have to check here? 1, 0, 0, 1 or 1, 0 or 1, 1. ఇక్కడ input ఏం check చేయాలి నేను?
1 1.
Yes, 1 1. Why? Because this 1 is passing for 2. 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 means what we have to get? According to this, 1 and 1 means the output we are getting as 0. Are we getting? Yes. Right? Now, let me go for case 2. Let me go for case 2. So case 2 entama? Case 2 combination is what for input?
0, 1.
0 1.
Yes, 0 1.
1.
Okay, it is 0 and 1. So if it is 0 1, what's the output that we are getting for NAND? It is 1. So if it is 1 means you will get 1 1 here. If it is 1 1 means the output will get as 0. Yes, you are getting 0 1 case also. Now let me go for case 3. So case 3 is what? 1 0. So if it is 1 0, the output we have to get as we are getting 1. So I have written 1. So this 1 will pass 1 1. So 1 1 means the output 0. Yes, even in this case also it is working. Now let me go for 1 1. So you should not, in your notes for your exam, you should not trace in the same diagram. You have to draw for 4 times, for case 1, for case 2, for case 3 and for case 4. Okay. Now 1 1. So if it is 1 1, see this ma, what you are getting if you are passing for NAND gate 1 1?
0.
0. So erase this and write down as 0. So if it is 0, 0 will be passed here and 0 will be passed here. And 0 0 means what you will get? 1. So here it should be 1. Is this correct or not? Check the AND gate. So in the AND gate, if the input we are passing as 1 1, the output you have to get as 1. Are we getting? Yes. We are passing the input as 1 1 and we are getting the final output as 1. Yes. So this complete circuit as NAND is working as AND, hence proved. So next other gate, what we have to work, ma'am? The other gate is what?
Or.
OR gate. So OR gate Boolean expression రాసుకున్నామా in your notes? What's a Boolean expression for OR gate?
A plus B.
Yes, A plus B. Okay. So let me write OR. Let me write OR truth table also. A, B, Y. Okay. So 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So can anyone tell me the output for this OR gate?
0. 1
0
1 1.
plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So you will get the output as 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now let me write the expression for NAND. The expression for NAND is A into B whole complement. But what we have to get, this has to be converted to our target call. What's our target expression, ma'am? It has to work, this circuit has to work as OR. So OR Boolean expression is A plus B. So see, ma, completely it is very complicated. Why? Here we have a product term, multiplication, here we have a sum. So is there any Boolean algebra rule where this product need to be converted to pluses? Yes, we have one rule called De Morgan's law. Okay. So what we have in De Morgan's law is that given A into B whole complement, this is same as A complement plus B complement. So this is a formula. So A into B whole complement equals to A complement plus, see here is a product, here is a plus. So A complement plus B complement. So this is your De Morgan's law. But we should not get A complement plus B complement. We have to get just A plus B. So for that, what we have to do is A complement into B complement whole complement equals to, if you can understand this drawing the representation in the symbol way is very easy, ma. So A complement into B complement whole complement equals to, now what is A in this place, ma? What is A in this place?
A
A
complement.
complement. Okay. So A complement, and here one more A.
Whole
A
complement.
is A complement plus B is B complement and one more complement based on this rule. So you will get as what finally? Complement, if it is cancelled, you will get A plus B. Okay. So this is your rule based on De Morgan's law. So try to see A into B. Symbols are changing. Concentrate. I'm observing most of the students will be writing as A bar into B bar. No. So A into B whole complement equals to A complement plus B complement. So if we, this has to be, but our target is not A complement plus B complement. Our target is to get a OR implementation. For that, is there any solution to get this A plus B? Is if again if you do complement, this complement will be we can eliminate this complement. So that's the reason that I have done A complement B complement whole complement, so that this A will be getting as A complement and B as B complement, and next based on this formula you will get complement. So finally you'll get A plus B as the